Hey guys, this one I want to show you guys a little bit about the schematics for the packaging PLC. So we're gonna go to P drive, maintenance, public. We're gonna go to the electrical schematics folder, and here you're gonna see packaging PLC. By the way, troubleshooting. If you go to troubleshooting, you're gonna have those videos that I made on maintenance, and anything else that we make will probably go there as far as troubleshooting aids. Packaging PLC for the electrical schematics. I'm gonna open this PDF file. Now that we're here, I am going to look for C10. The other ones, they have something on there. Ignore them for now because they are not on our packaging PLC panel yet. But when we do, they will be active. So I'm gonna click on line 10 here. This is the page for line 10. I'm gonna get this out of the way. Kind of distract him a little bit. So I'm gonna zoom in, and this is the VFD for the hopper, and this is the VFD for the incline. Okay, and you can see we have a couple of signals coming in and out, the power feeding it, and disconnect and the motor. Now I want to show you something. If you have a paper copy, you're gonna have to follow this obviously by yourself. But if you have this PDF open on an iPad or your phone, what you can do is you can say hover over the disconnect right here. It says line 10 disconnect, and it's called, I'm sorry, the circuit breaker 10,000. If you see, there's a little hand right there, right? If I hover over anything else, it's not. But if I hover over the number of that tag, CB 10,000, you see a little hand. Same thing if I was to go to the motor starter protector, you see the little hand. If I was to go over the VFD, you see the little hand. That little hand means you can click on it and it will take you to where that device is located inside the electrical panel. So let's say that we wanted to see the breaker. Where is the breaker for that one? If you click on it, right here, it takes you directly to where it is located inside the electrical panel, and obviously it tells you where the main breaker is from the electrical room to this breaker inside the arc control panel. So if I zoom out a little bit, you're gonna see this is actually the electrical panel for packaging PLC. Okay, so if I zoom in, that is the breaker for line C10, and it's telling you where it is fed from. All right, so now if I wanted to say I wanted to navigate back to where I was, to the little hand, I'm gonna click on it. It takes me back to it. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Same thing if I was to see there's the motor protector and I'm getting a screen alarm on the screen that says, hey, your overload is tripped for the VFD on the Hopper C10, and you want to look at it inside the panel, but there's a bunch of overloads there. You click on this one here and it takes you to where it is inside the panel. So if I zoom out, it's telling you that it's on this section right here of the electrical panel, right? So we got all these other lines, but this is the one for line 10. So again, I click on it, it takes me back to the sheet where I was before. And the same thing goes for the VFD, and the same thing goes for anything else. Like let's say that I wanted to see where this signal is coming from, S1, because the touchscreen is telling me you're missing S1 on the VFD, and that's what the fault is. So I can click on it right here, and it takes me to where it is on the other page of the schematics, and it's telling me that this is coming from slot 10 of the 1734 OB8S output digital module, and it's output 10, and it's giving me the wire number as well. So I can go to the device or the module and look for that wire number there. Okay, I want to go back. I click on that number again. It takes me back to the VFD, and on the VFD, it's showing me on which terminal is wired up, and again, the matching wire number is there. Same thing for the all the signals that are here. Okay, so hopefully this will help you guys troubleshoot the system. Thanks.